Barely 24 hours after a foot of snow, Boston is bracing for more. You'd think they'd be cringing down here in Southie. Guess again.
I absolutely love snow, and I like watching the weather and predicting it all, so I'm happy.
We actually welcome it. I think our DNA says bring it on.
Surprising when you consider that this is the land of parking impossible, even without snow. Add the drifts from a typical nor'easter, and it's time to break out the space savers.
There's a phenomenon about Southie where you dig yourself out and you put a lounge chair, a summer chair. I mean, it's like it's 4th of July. And this is my spot, and no one's taking it.
By the way, while it's okay to have a space saver, the mayor would like us to remind you it is not okay to attach a nasty note to it, threatening anyone who might steal it. And the city does have other rules. Those space savers can only be used for 48 hours after the parking ban is lifted.
And I say, you know what? As long as you don't bring your couches out, we're good.
Even those who don't love snow aren't complaining yet.
Remember that record-breaking 110 inches that we had a couple years ago? Maybe we can survive this one. Yeah. Let's hope, huh?
Yeah.
So technically, the parking ban was lifted at 8 a.m. today. That means you have until Sunday to gather up those space savers and rest up before the next big dig out begins. We're live in South Boston tonight. I'm Mary Saladin, WCVB News Center 5.